Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the podcast, where we are discussing everyday topics to help you improve your English. We hope you are having a great day so far. It is a beautiful sunny day here.
Hey there, John. And hello, everyone. Happy to be back. Today, we're going to do something very simple. We just want to talk about feelings, how we feel right now, how we feel sometimes, and maybe why.
Yeah, no big philosophy today, just honest feelings. Easy English, easy talk.
Okay, John, let's start with you. How are you feeling right now? Like, really right now?
Honestly, a little tired, but also calm, like good tired. You know when you finish a long day and you can finally breathe.
I know exactly what you mean. Good tired is the best tired.
What about you, Kate? How are you feeling at this moment?
I feel happy, but also a little worried. Happy because I like recording with you, but worried because I have a big meeting tomorrow at work.
Ah, the famous work worry. Does it make your stomach feel small?
Yes, exactly. Like my stomach is trying to become a tiny ball.
I know that one. For me, it's usually my shoulders. They go up, 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 like they want to touch my ears.
I can see it. Your shoulders are very good at being stressed.
They've had a lot of practice. Okay, let's talk about something different. What feeling do you get the most these days?
Lately, I think it's gratitude. Grateful. I look at my little house, my coffee in the morning, my friends, and I just feel, thank you, life.
That's nice. I like that. For me, the feeling I get most is impatience. I want things to happen faster. I want the weekend now. I want the project to be finished now. I want summer now.
Oh, I know that one. Impatience is like a small child inside you saying, now, now, now.
Yes, and the child never sleeps.
Okay, next question. What feeling do you hate the most?
Easy. Loneliness. Even when I'm with people, sometimes I can still feel lonely. It's a cold feeling, like winter inside your chest.
That's a good way to say it. For me, I really don't like guilt. When I feel I did something wrong or I hurt someone by mistake, guilt stays with me for days, like a heavy backpack I forget to take off.
Yeah, guilt is heavy. Loneliness is cold. Together, they're terrible. True.
Okay, let's talk about good feelings now. What feeling makes you smile the biggest?
When my dog sees me come home, that face, the tail goes like a helicopter. Pure love, instant happiness.
Aw, I can picture it. For me, it's when my niece runs to hug me. She's only 4. She shouts, Auntie Kate, and jumps. My heart feels like boom, full of sunshine.
That's beautiful. What about you, John? When was the last time you felt really proud? Last month, I finished a very hard course I was taking after work. Every night I was so tired, but I didn't give up. When I got the certificate, I felt proud, like I did that, me.
That's amazing, John. You should be proud. I'm proud of you too.
Thank you. And you, when did you last feel really proud?
Last week, actually, I helped my friend when she was very sad. I just listened. I didn't try to fix everything. I just stayed with her. Later, she said, thank you for not leaving me alone. That made me feel useful and proud.
That's a very good kind of proud, the quiet one.
Yes, the quiet proud is sometimes the best. I agree. We don't have to be super smart or have perfect feelings. We just have to be honest.
Exactly. Okay, one last question for today. If you could feel only one feeling for the rest of the week, what would you choose?
Only one. I think peaceful. I would like to feel peaceful for a few days. No rush, no worry, just soft heart.
Nice. For me, I choose excited. I want to wake up excited about something, even if it's small, like excited for good coffee, or a new book, or seeing my friends.
I like that. Excited is fun.
Yep. To our friends that are listening in today, If you've made it this far, please comment below how you are feeling today, and we hope it is happy, content, and joy.
Yes, let us know how you are feeling. Okay, friends, I think that's enough feelings for today. Thank you for listening to our simple talk.
Yes, thank you. Remember, it's okay to feel everything: happy, sad, impatient, proud, lonely, grateful. All of it is okay.
Take care of your feelings this week, and maybe tell someone how you really feel.
See you next time.
Bye, everyone.